Hi friends, this is FirearmPop, and we stopped by the range today. This is just a quick visit, not going to be doing any drills, just to shoot off some of the naval lint, if you wanted me to call it that, on the guns that I carry. And I really, if I don't get out to the range every couple of days to every couple of weeks to knock the dust off those guns, I feel like I'm cheating myself. And so I'm here. We're going to run through. There's three weapons that I typically have with me at all times. Just to show you, the one is my Smith & Wesson 357 Magnum. Okay, that's always in that pocket, in the holster. In my mini bag, and I did a review on what I carry in my man purse. There's enough things to go to the range, a target, some spare ammo. I now keep the Bond Arms Snake Slayer in there, and this is chambered in 410. I normally have a self-defense load in there, chambered in 410, and I keep that by my side, especially when I'm driving. And a backup weapon that I carry in my pocket, usually accessible when I have a seatbelt on, is the NAA mini revolver in 22 long rifle. Now, I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to try to get a close-up. Hold on. I don't know how good that's going to show, but look what's right on that hammer. That's the reason you got to come to the range and you shake the dust off, clean the guns up, and get them ready to rock and roll again. So, without further ado, let's get this some lead down range. Okay, first up is the Snake Slayer. Next, we'll do the NAA mini revolver. Talk about extremes. And next, the little snubby. Guns are reloaded, and I'm going to do a second round of all three guns, so bear with me here. Give you a quick look at the target that we did. You can see the difference between the shotgun shell, the 22, and the 357 Magnum. Okay, all three guns are empty. Took the empty casings out of all. This is Gibbs, and I did a whole video on this. So make sure it's in frame here. And this is the non-aerosol, and I went with this because it's smaller, more compact, and should do the same job. So let's get it sprayed up here, and get this stuff clean. Now I didn't bring, again, I got my modified cleaning bag with me. It's not my regular range bag, so I don't have a toothbrush, but I think we'll get the job done with this. There you have it, friends, my daily carry, nice and cleaned up and ready to go back where they belong. Okay, this is FirearmPop. Be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.